Can you give me an update about the flood?
Look, Charles, in the next few minutes, I'm going to have a further update, but certainly there's localized flooding around different parts of the province. We're waiting to see what's going to take place in terms of whether that's a big impact. The potential for rain that could come in the next 24 hours certainly could have a further impact, but up to this point in time, it's been really minimized to localized flooding.
Where?
Look, in different parts of the province, you know, if you look at the Nashwauk River area is cresting. Certainly in the southern part of the province, in the areas around Dorchester, Dieppe, some I'm hearing this morning in the Hillsborough area as well.
You concerned?
Oh, look, every spring when it comes to river watch and the impacts of flooding, we're always concerned. Hey there, we're continuing to watch and monitor what's going on, and I'll be having greater information in the next few minutes.
I had to say this, you don't plan to pass crooked pension when the highlight of the flood like you did in 08?
Oh, Charles.
I was doing so good.
I'm very, actually, the changes, two sets of changes we brought forward in pensions under this government early on, significant change which saw a reduction of some 30% in pensions for MLAs, but even greater reductions over the last few weeks.
That's one of the promise that you kept. You said you were going to do something. Thank you very much.